Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Well, it's not really a matter of length of time, it's your intention, okay? Um, the intention of a B2 applicant, someone coming here on a B2 visitor visa, is to have non-immigrant intent, which means to visit, okay, and to go back to their home country. It does not mean to work. It does not mean to study. It does not mean to see how long you can stay with, your significant other before you have to go back and then turn around and go back again. Um, so the issue of intent is dealt with in many ways. Now, with a B2, it is presumed you want to intend to stay here permanently. That's the law. It's presumed that you're lying to them and that you are wanting to stay here forever. So you have to prove them differently. So if, for example, you just stayed here for 5 months and 20 days, you leave and then you turn and come back around a week later, they're not going to believe you're just visiting. I mean, what are you going to say? You didn't have enough time to visit the places you wanted to go, or you didn't have enough time to visit your family. So when they ask you and they say, why are you coming here again when you were just here? Either you're going to lie, which is going to, make another ground of inadmissibility, or you're going to tell them the truth, upon which they're most likely going to deny you entry. And that doesn't really matter if it's 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, they're still going to ask. Now, obviously, the longer you stay out, the easier it is to prove that. But the mere nature of this question would indicate that you are, intending on either staying with someone or doing something for longer than what would normally be authorized. So, you might want to look for a different kind of visa. Okay. There's actually clients I have that have tried to stay here for the 5 months and 29 days, go to Mexico or Canada, and think that they can just turn around and come back because all they have to do is get their stamp again, only to realize they got denied entry. I've had other clients that they've had officers look at their phone and they can see that there's employment texts and so forth on their phone, and in their purses and their belongings, to see that there's pay stubs. So don't get caught in that. Okay.